Today we are doing a hair system breathability test. After today's test, you will see which bases are breathable, which are not, and which one may be the right one for you. Generally, there are 4 basic types of base materials, and they are as follows: lace, skin, monofilament, and silk. So let's see how each base material performs with heat evaporation. This material is a full lace base. It evaporates heat very well. This is a lace base model with poly around the base. This is very similar to the full lace base, and it also performs very efficiently. This particular model is a combination of monofilament and poly. This material also evaporates heat quite well. This is a silk base. For a silk base, a tri-layer is used to perfectly conceal the hair knots between layers. Let's see how it performs. Even though it has 3 layers, it also evaporates heat quite readily. Finally, we will see how a poly unit performs. As you can see, it is not so breathable and does not perform as well as the others in this test. So how does this test help when you pick a hair system? Some people have a very active lifestyle. They work out frequently and sweat a lot, or may have oily skin. In that case, you have to go with a breathable hair unit like lace, mono, or silk. Breathability is one of the factors you need to consider when you choose a hair system. Other factors to consider would be the density, front hairline, hairstyle, etc. Let us help you pick a perfect fitted hair unit. You can contact us at our website. Just go to support@lavividhair.com and our experts will guide you to pick the right material and style.